Unlocking the Can, the World of Canned Salmon. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common phrase in the English language that you might find in a supermarket or in a recipe book. Canned salmon. Whether you're shopping, cooking, or just curious, understanding this term is quite useful. Let's get started on our fishy adventure. Canned salmon refers to salmon that has been preserved in a can. This process involves cleaning the fish, cooking it, and then sealing it in a can with a brine or oil, which keeps it edible for a long period. Canned salmon is a shelf-stable product, meaning it can be stored in your pantry for months or even years. There are mainly two types of canned salmon, red and pink. Red salmon, also known as sockeye, is prized for its rich flavor and firm texture. Pink salmon, on the other hand, is milder in taste and softer in texture. The type you choose can depend on personal taste and the recipe you're using. Canned salmon is not just convenient, it's also packed with nutritional benefits. It's a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin D+. It has the added advantage of containing bones and skin, which are rich in calcium. You can use canned salmon in a variety of dishes. From salads and sandwiches to pasta and casseroles, it's incredibly versatile. A quick tip: always remember to check for bones before using it in your cooking, although they are edible and full of calcium. When buying canned salmon, consider the sustainability of the product. Look for labels like MSC certified, which means the salmon was responsibly caught. Also, be aware of the additives. Some cans may contain high levels of salt or other preservatives. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding canned salmon. We hope this video helps you make informed choices the next time you encounter this phrase or product. Happy cooking and learning, and we'll see you in the next video.